Hello.
We have to wait.
It's almost New Year. It's 15 minutes till 12. And after sa kadugay mag-prepare,
Chipe!
we have the following. Pabyong! We have mahurot ng itlog na, sa chocolate egg.
Suspect. Wala pa alas 12 ni kuha na.
Suspect ka rin.
Hoy!
Suspect ka na. What are you eating? Don't eat the egg. Naatay. Tama na eh. Sweets, nuts, fruits.
You're eating.
And then naapot ay saka na cassava, some drinks, candies, beautiful flower from, asa ka na nagikan?
Bahan.
Simbahan. Asa ka na ito simbahan ka na? Naapot ay wine, and then of course juice for the baby. Naapot ay lechon belly. And then lumpia. We have fish, sweet and sour pampano. Oh, that's your milk. We have ham. We have pancit. Shrimp. And naiwit corn. We have beef caldereta. And ay pasas. Actually, pagod na siya. Burnt edges. And then we have a cake from Sugar Munch. And we also have fruits. And then mga
Prosperity bowl.
prosperity bowl day. And then of course ang kusina. Behind all of the beauty is the madness. See that? See that? We will clean later. So, ano na siya. So, that's it. Ulat na ng taog. 12.
Wala na.